Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to create a discount coupon and set up a loyalty scheme in menumiz POS. We'll guide you step by step through the process. First, let's create a discount coupon. Go to the Discount Coupons section on your dashboard. Click on Add New Event. Select coupon type, one-time usage coupon or multi-time usage coupon. Enter the event name. Input your desired coupon code. Unique coupons will be generated automatically for one-time usage coupon. Specify the maximum number of redeems, up to 500. Choose the coupon type, discount rate, specific amount, or gift card model. Set the coupon validity period. Ensure it extends beyond the loyalty validity. Enter the coupon value. For usage method, select QR code for the loyalty scheme. Press Generate to create your discount coupon. Now, let's move on to creating a loyalty scheme. Navigate to the Loyalty section. Click on Add a Scheme. Enter the scheme name. Set the start date for your scheme. Add any notes, optional. Click Next to proceed. Choose the type of loyalty rule that applies. Note, if you're setting up a free item loyalty scheme, you don't need to create a discount coupon first. Define the criteria for the loyalty rule. Select the discount coupon you want to apply and press Create. And that's it. You've successfully created a discount coupon and a loyalty scheme. Let's see how this loyalty scheme works from the customer's perspective. The customer scans the QR code. The loyalty offer will be displayed on their screen, and they can place their order accordingly. If the customer meets the rule criteria, the discount will be applied automatically at checkout. Your customers can now enjoy the benefits of the loyalty program. Thank you for watching.
Menumiz, digitally yours.